NotebookLM plus Perplexity plus Google Gemini is insane. This combo is absolutely wild. You can go from a simple question to a full video presentation without lifting a finger. Stay with me because this is going to change how you work forever. Okay, so Google just dropped something massive. And when you combine it with two other free tools, it gets really crazy. I'm talking about a workflow that takes you from research to finished content in a fraction of the time. No more spending hours digging through articles, no more manually building in presentations. This is the kind of stuff that makes you wonder why you ever did it the old way. Let me show you what I mean. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So here's what happened. Google released Gemini 3. This is their newest AI model, and it's a big deal. They have different versions like Pro, DeepThink, and Flash. Each one does something different, but they all work together. Gemini 3 can understand text, images, code, and even audio and video. It has huge context windows, which means it can process way more information at once. And the best part is it's powering everything else I'm about to show you. Now, let me break down what each tool does, because when you understand this, you'll see why this combo is so powerful. First up is Google Gemini 3. This is the brain behind everything. It's doing all the heavy lifting for reasoning and understanding. Then you have NotebookLM. This is your research and output machine. It takes all your sources, summarizes them, and can even turn them into presentations and videos. And finally, there's Perplexity. This is your fast search tool. It pulls real-time information from the web with sources and citations. So think of it like this. Perplexity finds the information, Gemini 3 understands it, NotebookLM organizes it, and creates outputs from it. Let me tell you what NotebookLM can do now, because this is where it gets insane. NotebookLM now runs on Gemini 3. That means it's way smarter and faster than before. It has a 1 million token context window. That's massive. You can feed it entire books worth of information and it'll process all of it. It does deep research with citations, so you know where everything comes from. But here's the crazy part. It can automatically turn your research into presentations, like actual slide decks. It can create video overviews where it explains your content. It can make infographics. It can even create data tables that export directly to Google Sheets. And there's a new experiment coming where NotebookLM can turn your notes into classroom-style lectures. Think about that for a second. You upload some documents, and it creates a full presentation or video for you. And if you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Gemini, NotebookLM, and Perplexity, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. The link is in the description. This is the exact kind of workflow we teach inside the boardroom, how to stack these tools together to create content that would normally take you days in just minutes. Now, let's talk about Perplexity, because this is where your workflow starts. Perplexity is one of the best real-time web search tools out there. It's faster than most deep research tools, and it gives you source-grounded answers. That means every answer comes with links to where it got the information. You're not just getting random AI-generated text. You're getting facts backed up by real sources. And it's way better than static chatbots for finding current information. This is your first step. You use Perplexity to search your topic and gather sources. Then you take those sources into the next tools. Here's where Google's deep research comes in. Google launched deep research agents based on Gemini 3 Pro. These can be embedded into other apps, including NotebookLM and Search. So now you have deep research capabilities built right into the tools you're already using. This means you can do serious research without switching between 10 different apps. Everything works together. All right, so why does this matter? Why should you care about this combo? Because you can go from a question to a finished piece of content without ever leaving these AI tools. All three tools are free at the basic level. You can start using them right now without paying anything. You can generate educational content faster than anything you've ever seen. You're combining real-time web facts from Perplexity with deep context and multimodal outputs from NotebookLM and Gemini. This is next-level productivity for students, creators, businesses, anyone who creates content. Now let me show you the ultimate workflow. This is how you use all three tools together. Step 1. Go to Perplexity and search your topic. Let's say you're researching AI marketing trends. Perplexity will pull up the latest information with sources, copy those sources. Step 2, open NotebookLM and upload those sources. You can paste URLs, upload PDFs, whatever you have. NotebookLM will read everything and understand it. Step 3, use NotebookLM's deep research feature. Tell it what you want to know. It'll dig through everything and spell out the insights for you. Step 4, tell NotebookLM to generate a slide deck or video overview. It'll create a full presentation based on the research.